Hi guys, Charlie Johnson here from CJ Coaching. Question I got asked yesterday was in regards to how to stretch out your forearms and wrist flexors. So this is an area where people get a lot of discomfort because of almost like repetitive strain. So people may well feel pain through their biceps, through almost like the ligaments, tendons in their elbows. Now this is often actually not pain at the bicep or tricep or the elbow, it's actually tightness in the forearms. So firstly, I would suggest if this is a real issue, go and get some deep tissue work. Get all your forearm muscles here released through the top of the forearm, through into the brachialis, through the top of the bicep. Get all this released. And then a very, very easy stretch you can do anywhere. It's literally like a praying symbol like that. So you literally, hands together, pull them into your chest, push them down, and try and get that fully flexed position in the wrist. So you should have that flexion there, straight in like that. And if you can do that, you should have a good bit of flexion. If you can't get your wrist into that position and get that flexion, when you try and do any pressing movements, you're going to get a lot of discomfort. So this is a very often overlooked body part in terms of neglect, where you'll get a lot of issues, because you think whenever you're training your upper body, you're putting a lot of force through your forearms, through your hands, through your wrists. So it's very, very important that you keep this tissue nice and loose, nice and limber. If you let it get all knotted up and let it almost come all fixed together, you will get a lot of problems that will end up pulling through to the elbow, the shoulder, and it'll have knock-on consequences. So my suggestion, if this is a problem for you, get this released, then focus on stretching and opening out the wrist flexors, the forearms. With that, it's a very, very simple stretch for you to try, and this should make a big difference. I hope this video helps. Very basic, very to the point, but it will help you if this is a problem for you. So any questions, please comment below. I hope this helps.